What's up, everyone? Jeff Elliott here from Another71.com. And what I want to do is real quickly cover 3 things that you need to know for the Clarity Project update for the auditing section of the CPA exam. Now, the AICPA has said through their uniform CPA examination newsletter thing for the spring 2013, essentially, you are going to have to know the old way of doing things, the pre-July standards, and the July and beyond way of doing things. So you have to know both ways. So, but for the research component, it is only going to, only the clarified statements on auditing standards are going to be used for the research component. So let's get to it. Number 1, there is a new GAAS format. And the GAAS standards have 5 sections: introduction, objective, definitions, requirements, and application and other explanatory material. Not a huge deal. Introduction, objective, definitions, requirements, application, and other explanatory material. Second are terminology changes. The 10 GAAS standards are gone for the Clarity Project. Instead, the 10 GAAS standards now help develop the principles and the theory behind the new standards. But since the AICPA will be testing both ways of doing things, you still need to know the 10 GAAS standards. Also, the term unmodified report replaces the unqualified opinion. And instead of being in accordance with generally accepted accounting principles, now it is the applicable financial reporting framework. We move now to the audit report. In the audit report, there is a new heading for management's responsibility for the financial statements. That heading did not exist before. And going into the audit report real quick, the unmodified report has 4 sections. You have your introduction, then management's responsibility for the financial statements, then the auditor's responsibility, and then finally the opinion. Next is the modified, the audit report that's modified, which encompasses the qualified, adverse, and disclaimer of opinion. And essentially, it's the same as the unmodified report, except you insert the basis for that modified opinion before the opinion paragraph. So you have your introduction, management's responsibility for the financial statements, the auditor's responsibility, the basis for the modified opinion, and then finally the modified opinion. Something new for the clarified auditing standards: there is no longer an explanatory paragraph. Instead, it's an emphasis of matter or an other matter paragraph. So now you have, if you have an unmodified report, but you have an emphasis of matter or other matter, you have your introduction, your management's responsibility for the financial statements, auditor's responsibility, the opinion paragraph, that's the same. But then you have your emphasis of matter paragraph, and then after that, you have your other matter paragraph. Now, hopefully, your review course is updated and covers the clarified auditing standards in a format that's probably less than an hour. I mean, anything more than that, would I read all of the AUC sections and jump into the objectives and read all of those? You could. Would I, if I was studying? No. And so hopefully your review course covers that. If not, you can get the Ninja Notes, which covers it, and a short, sweet, and to-the-point update. I hope this video has been helpful. If so, please leave a comment below. If not, please leave a comment below. And come join us over at the Another71.com forum. I can't speak. Lots of people over there talking about all sorts of different things. And I will see you over at the forum. Thanks again for watching.